Where's the TV?
Remember the TV that was right there? Right there? Where did it go?
The bathroom downstairs.
Oh, somebody took it away
Where did they take it to?
to his home, but the shooter's there.
The what?
There. There.
Oh, the basketball hoop.
Yeah. So they take it away.
I
We
see.
gotta get a new TV for here.
And are you going to put stickers on it?
No,
How come?
quite. I don't have any stickers. I lost it.
Oh. But if you had stickers, would you put stickers on it?
Yeah.
No, I don't think Mommy would let you do that. I think you'd get in trouble.
No.
Yeah, I don't think Mommy or Daddy would like it.
Look.